In this video, we're going to create a basic site plan in the sheets for our utility shed in Autodesk Revit. And the first thing we're going to want to do is adjust our crop region of the site plan. So I'm going to scroll up in the project browser, click on Site. I'm going to turn on the Show Crop Region, zoom out, and then I'm going to go ahead and drag in the crop region like so. We're just going to really mainly show a top view of the shed with all the landscaping. So drag all that in. And then I'm going to go ahead and hide the crop region to turn that off. I'm going to adjust the scale to 1/4 of an inch equals a foot. Hit apply. And then I'm going to scroll on down to my A105 site plan sheet. Click on that. And then I'm going to scroll back up and drag in my site plan. And it looks pretty big. So I'm going to have to, let's see if I could, let's see here. I just need to move it up just a little bit. Come on, there we go. Something like that. And then I'm going to left click off of that, click on the name tag or label in the scale, and just hover over the line and move that up. Right about there on the bottom. And then now I have my basic site plan, and I can go ahead and save. And that is going to be it for this video.